Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best dash cams in this video? I will show you the top 5 best dash cams to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Channal 360 degrees dash cam. Specifications: brand name, AliExpress. Aperture, f1.8. Battery life, 24H. Parking monitor. Touch screen, no. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Warranty, 365 days. Number 4 is 3-channel 12-inch car DVR. Specifications: brand name, AliExpress. Aperture, f1.8. Weight, 500 grams. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 12" Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Warranty, 365 days. As the item number 3, we've selected ASDOM M550 dash cam. Specifications: brand name, ASDOM. Aperture, 1.8. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is Wolfbox X5 3-channel 4K dash cam. Specifications: brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Pixels, 1200 mega. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Redtiger F7 NP 4K dash camera. Specifications: brand name, Redtiger. Aperture, f1.55. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 1 year.